Okay, macam biasa guys, hujung bulan saya telah gunting rambut. Cuba bagi rating dalam chat, dalam comments 1 hingga 10. What is the rating? Now, ada beberapa level penting yang saya nak tunjuk you guys. Which levels am I currently watching? How did the trade plan on Monday go? And what are we looking forward to this week? So, kita ada jadual baru untuk video. Right now, Monday will be the weekly trading outlook. So I'm going to share you guys my current trading plan for the start of the week. Tuesday, I'm going to share something educational. So it could be anything like strategy, whatever. Yesterday, I shared this order block trading plan video. And then Wednesday will be the midweek market review. So just to review and update you guys on the current market conditions. Thursday, saya akan buat trade review. So saya akan pilih satu trade dari minggu lepas untuk review and ajar you guys and show you guys what was my thought process behind the trade. And finally Friday kita akan buat weekly recap. Okay, so make sure you guys subscribe to the channel sebab ada banyak video that we will be posting almost every day, 5 kali seminggu. Okay, so let's get into the video. Now, one thing I want to show you guys ialah the funding rate heat map. Right? Funding rate basically dia menunjukkan how hot is the market, dan bila funding rate jadi tinggi maksudnya the market is overheated. Right? Bila you nampak ada banyak merah-merah sini maksudnya market sedang panas. Bila market panas dia kena retrace, dia kena pull back untuk cool down dulu. Right? So and you can see the last time, this was the one year heat map, the last time funding rate jadi panas ialah di sini, which was in December. Tengok 6 December, yeah, awal December lah. Dan awal December was right here bila kita telah buat the first like all time high lah, when we broke the all time high and climbed all the way up to 100k. That was the last time that we had the funding rate extremely hot. Since then, kita dah buat 2 kali all time high baru, right? Tapi funding rate masih sejuk. Right? Masih sejuk. Kalau you tengok sini pun semua hijau-hijau. That means it's very cool. Right? Things are very, very cool. Now, I'm going to open the Fear and Greed Index on CoinMarketCap. And I'm just going to show you guys that we are actually sitting at a very good position in the market. Sebab look at this, kita dah buat all time high baru, tapi we just entered out of neutral to greed, right? Just about. Okay, so the market has not exploded yet. Right? The market has not exploded yet. Okay, now let's take a look. What is our current plan? And you can see actually last week lebih greed. So actually we are cooling down quite fast. Okay. Now let's take a look. What is the current trading plan? On Monday I shared with you guys. This was my outlook, right? My plan that I was looking to take a short dari sini atau long dari bawah sini. And I don't know how many of you actually took action. Saya tahu dalam academy ada orang yang take action and they actually entered the short positions. Sebab saya akan share live bila saya enter position in the academy. So we had a few members taking shorts based on that trading plan, but I don't know about you guys in the public channel. Yeah, I hope you guys have taken this trade as well. Okay, if you see what happened, let me zoom in a little bit. Kita pergi 1 hour. And oops. Okay, so zooming in, look at that. So satu touch, dua touch, and the Junam zap. So dah 2 kali dia bagi awak chance untuk short dari sini based on our trading plan yang saya share in Monday's video. Okay, so now let's take a look. What is the current situation? What is the current plan? Mana level yang saya sedang monitor? So make sure you guys tengok video ni sampai habis. Sebelum tu, I want to share with you guys Okay, but sebelum tu I want to share with you guys that Bybit sedang ada limited time staking untuk BTC 45 hari dan you boleh earn 2% guaranteed APR with Bybit. Okay, so for you guys yang ada account Bybit, you guys boleh stake your BTC. Okay, interest currency you akan earn BTC juga 2% 45 hari. Right? So how to participate? Visit Bybit on-chain earn, stake your BTC, hold your BTC for 45 days to receive your principal plus 2% APR interest upon maturity. So very simple. Saya akan bagi link dalam Telegram channel percuma. Make sure you guys tekan link di bawah. Kalau you guys belum ada account Bybit, link saya akan letak di bawah juga. Now let's get into the weekly plan. So untuk sekarang kita sekarang di pertengahan jalan. Yeah, and if you see we are currently below the weekly open. And currently the daily open, kita telah open candle, we open below the weekly. So not really looking good, not looking good. Ada kemungkinan kita mungkin akan, minggu ini mungkin akan sambung bearish. Right, minggu ini mungkin akan sambung bearish. Unless we can reclaim this weekly open dan break ke atas. Right, so for now, it's looking like the signals are bearish sebab kita dah reject dari supply zone sini. Kita tak berjaya maintain atas range ini. Right, kita tak berjaya maintain atas weekly open. So the next level we're looking at is the value area low at 107.9. Dan of course the liquidity level yang kita dah marking on Monday. So the liquidity level remains the same. Where is it? Right here. Okay, let me go to 1 week. Right, so tengok di bawah ni. Okay, we have 136 million liquidation leverage sitting below here at about 105. Okay, so let's go to 2 weeks. Okay, so ada dua cluster penting. Tengok di bawah ni. Actually about 200 million ya. 200 million at 105. Dan di atas sini, which is about 155 million di 111. Okay, so ini menjadi magnet yang menarik. And I won't be surprised if we actually get a push down here to 105 sebelum kita pump dan buat new all time high. Right, so dalam trading saya tak suka, I don't like to guess. Saya tak suka buat prediction. Saya tak suka cakap kita akan pergi all time high. Apa yang saya suka buat ialah saya suka buat sebuah trading plan dan saya tunggu market respect trading plan saya. So right now my trading plan is saya nak tengok price sweep liquidity ada dekat bawah sini untuk saya enter sebuah long position dan potentially target new all time high. Atau kalau kita for some reason we reclaim the weekly open and we break to new all-time highs, then I will possibly look for a short position somewhere above here lah. Right, somewhere above here. Atau saya akan cari sebuah long position. Kalau saya tak dapat dari bawah sini, then I'm going to look for a long position somewhere around here. Right, on the range support. Right, this is the current support value area high dan juga point of control. If it maintains like that, then kita boleh reclaim this level, cari potential long position di area sini on this support level here. Right, so currently bias saya masih bullish. Right, masih bullish sebab we're in all time high territory ya. Kita masih dalam all time high territory. For me, selagi kita tak break ni previous week low at about 102k, selagi itulah I think we can maintain bullish. I think we can maintain bullish. Dan itu pun kalau kita just sweep macam tu, then there's still a possibility yang kita reverse ke atas. But once we break previous week low, maintain di bawah macam tu, then maybe we have to see if we have to switch our bias dari bullish to bearish. Saya tak suka juga guna bias bullish bearish ni. But yeah, if you're trading altcoins, then ideally kita mesti tahu what is the market sentiment, right, untuk cari position. Okay, so right now, yeah, this is my current trade plan. It's looking short term bearish for now sebab kita di bawah level-level yang penting. So I would just wait until we sweep the liquidity up here, tunggu confirmation pattern, and then look for a long position at around 105. Yeah, around here. Okay, so that's the trade plan going into the rest of the week. If you guys ada apa-apa soalan, boleh komen di bawah, right? Leave a like on the video. Kalau you guys nak tengok exactly how I trade dan how bila saya TP, SL, entry, exit, how I manage my positions in real time, in live, you guys boleh tekan link di bawah dan join the Kaizen Crypto Academy. Tekan link di bawah, PM saya dan saya akan onboard you guys masuk kepada the academy. So itu sahaja untuk video kali ini. See you guys in the next video.